Hey, Gary Becker here with you from 30minutemarketing.net. Today we're talking about content marketing and the strategy for 2021. And really, I'm going to focus on the scheduling of that strategy, or the scheduling that we need to do to make sure that we're meeting our goals inside of our strategy for 2021. And I want to do that by talking about another successful YouTuber and her video that I recently watched that led me to a product that she sells that I'm going to show you a little bit about, but it's not really about the product, it's about the mindset. And I'm going to start with the video that you see here on the screen, why I changed my YouTube channel name, building a brand, a personal brand, rebranding my website, and more. Now this is Cathrin Manning. She is known as, or used to be known as, the Content Bug, and that's when I first found her. And you can see here she has tons of videos, and she's just sort of rebranded herself. But this video that I watched is what I want to talk to you about today, is because when I watched this video, it led me to really see and understand what it is she's gone through in her personal journey with having a channel that was branded as the Content Bug and not her name. Now, why does that matter to me? Because 30-minute marketing is my passion. 30-minute marketing is named for and inspired by the concept of using 33 minutes and 33 seconds to focus on the task at hand. And I got that concept from Eugene Schwartz, the famous copywriter. He would set a timer and he would go to his desk and sit down and he would focus and work on that task for 33 minutes and 33 seconds, or just sit at his desk and do nothing else but stare at the piece of paper or the typewriter, in this case, and during his time. And that's all he would do. So when I first got it started in this business, I needed to be able to focus. Needed to be able to focus on the fact that I needed to create content. And whether or not I was going to create content, I decided I was going to set this timer, and that was the way I was going to go about it. I was going to focus. It's not about faster, it's about focus. It's about focusing on this for 30 minutes, 33 minutes and 33 seconds. And that's where I came up with 30-minute marketing. And that's when I created the YouTube channel and the blog, and I also have a Facebook group. And the reason I do those three things is because I came to the point where those three things are the things I needed to focus on. More than that, and it was too much. And actually, as of today, it's really just the YouTube channel and the Facebook group, and the blog has sort of gone by the wayside. Now, Cathrin Manning has a blog. And this is how she started, as the Content Bug, and she created this blog. She focuses on her blog, her YouTube channel, and in reality, the reason she changed her name and the point of the video was her brand sort of grew beyond the Content Bug and just about being a blogger and just about providing blogging advice. Now for me, 30-minute marketing, I don't think this channel will ever outgrow what I want it to accomplish, because it is a channel about marketing, and I can talk about many, many things inside of marketing. Now, I did create a new YouTube channel for my low content and self-publishing efforts, and I've moved all that over and sort of taken that away, even though I could really niche that into marketing if I really wanted to, but I think I needed to separate them. And that's why this video from Cathrin Manning really drove home about, again, why I changed my YouTube channel name, building a personal brand, rebranding my website, and more. And the point of this is also all about the content she creates and how she creates it. And it really brought me to see that what I need is a more focused and more goal-oriented strategy for long-term and the short sprints. So if it's a marathon, the short sprints that occur during this journey. So what did I do? In the link in the description of her video, she had a link to her courses. And this is over at tcbcourses.com. She even mentioned that TCB Courses is the Content Bug. She's going to be rebranding all that. But the point here is the courses, the two that I bought, the Blow It Up Blueprint and the Content Calendar Template. Okay, so the Blow It Up Blueprint has this right here, the 60-day sprint. Of course, there's more than that in the Blow It Up Blueprint, but this is what I wanted to focus on. And of course, I can't show you everything inside of the product. But the 60-day sprint, what I need to accomplish every week for the next 60 days. The first week, or week number, focus goals, and the task. So this really drove it home for me. 60-day sprint. What I need to accomplish every week for the next 60 days, focus goal. Write it down. Create an actual content strategy, and then follow it. 60-day sprint. For 60 days, focus on everything I need to accomplish for this week for the next 60 days. Again, it really drove it home for me. The other thing was the content calendar template. Again, I'm going to show you inside the content calendar template just so you can have an idea of what's in there, but I'm not going to show you everything. A 2020 content overview. Of course, this is about 2021. This is going to be about me moving into 2021. You can see here her focus, YouTube, blog, and IGTV. Again, my focus is the 30-Minute Marketing YouTube channel you're watching right now, 30-Minute Marketing exclusive members only Facebook group. Of course, link in the description if you want to join that. Make sure you answer the questions or you won't get in. And then, of course, the 30minutemarketing.net blog that I mentioned the other day in an SEO video when I was talking about getting Ahrefs for free and going in and finding what's broken here from the technical aspects of SEO and the fact that I need to generate more content. And again, that's where this calendar comes into. So YouTube, blog, IGTV from Cathrin Manning inside of her calendar. And then she gives you some calendars down here for blogging and YouTube that really allowed me to do what I need to do, which is 60-day sprints. What I need to accomplish every week for the next 60 days. Again, part of the Blow It Up blueprint from Cathrin Manning, the content bug, and it was all based upon the content she creates on her channel. And again, she has stated on her channel in this video that really her brand has changed. For me, my brand's not changing, but the video really struck a chord with me, and the fact that I have a branded YouTube channel, and sometimes inside of the context of the YouTube channel, 30-Minute Marketing, it feels like I could grow a little bit bigger, but I'm not really at that stage. And again, I don't think I ever will be. But then again, maybe I will someday, and this video will help me. And that's the great thing about having a content strategy, is understanding and knowing the content you need to create and being able to focus on it for the long term, those 60-day sprints, and having an actual calendar to help you. And just seeing it from people that have done and accomplished the things that you're looking to accomplish. She has a YouTube channel. She has a great blog. IGTV, I use Facebook groups. It's all the same thing at the end of the day, creating content around our brand. No matter if our brand is our name or if our brand is our brand name. For example, hers was the content bug. Mine is 30-Minute Marketing. That's what you watch here. And that's why I try to create content that's focused around marketing and marketing concepts. And I try to do it in small, focused, bite-sized, digestible content that you can take and you can take action on. And this is one of those things that you can take action on. Of course, link in the description. You can pick up the Blow It Up blueprint and her calendar as well. I think they're a great resource, not only to get yourself organized, but to see what successful people are doing and emulate that success. That's what I try to do, and I hope that's what you try to do as well as you follow along here with my journey. Because remember, it's not about faster, it's about focus. If this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up, 30-minute timer right here. Click that, subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos just like the videos you see here. Click those, keep watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.